Welcome to Spectrum Sphere, the go-to channel for exploring the vast colors of knowledge and creativity. Today, we're delving into the mesmerizing world of origami, but with a twist. We're looking beyond the traditional folds of paper to uncover the art of origami, folding beyond paper. If you're fascinated by the intricate art of origami, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest adventures through culture, art, and learning. Origami, the ancient Japanese art of paper folding. For centuries, it has represented the delicate balance between simplicity and complexity, where a single sheet of paper transforms into breathtaking sculptures. Dating back to the 17th century, origami has evolved from religious ceremonial practices to a modern form of art and expression. It's a craft beloved by many for its therapeutic qualities and the challenge it presents to the mind and dexterity of one's fingers. Typically, origami is associated with paper, but let's broaden our horizons. Materials like metal, fabric, and plastic sheeting are now taking center stage, pushing the boundaries of what origami can be. Imagine a metallic sculpture, crisp and shining, each fold capturing light and shadow, transforming a once flat surface into a three-dimensional masterpiece. Fabric, too, enters the fold. From the pleats in haute couture dresses to architectural installations, fabric origami creates soft, flowing forms that defy expectations. In our modern world, plastic has emerged as a versatile player in the origami domain. Durable and flexible, plastic allows artists to create works that not only look fantastic, but can function in innovative ways. But the influence of origami extends beyond just art. It's found in the unlikeliest of places, nature. The way leaves unfurl and insect wings expand are akin to the folding and unfolding of origami. The principles of origami are also being applied in cutting-edge technologies. Scientists and engineers are harnessing its potential for space travel, medical devices, and even foldable electronics. Spacecrafts equipped with origami-inspired solar panels unfold gracefully in the void, capturing the energy of the sun to power voyages into the unknown. In medicine, small stent implants can be expanded inside the human body, employing origami techniques to save lives without the need for invasive surgery. The tech industry has taken notice as well, with foldable smartphones and compact devices making their way into the market, reminding us that innovation often mimics the artistry of origami. But why stop at contemplating the future? Origami has a vital role in education, teaching concepts of geometry, physics, and engineering through hands-on learning. By folding paper or other materials, one learns about angles, shapes, and design, translating abstract concepts into tangible creations. And the beauty of origami as an educational tool is its accessibility. From young children to seasoned adults, anyone can begin to fold and understand the world a little better through the art of bending and creasing. As an art form, origami is dynamic. Artists are constantly experimenting with new materials and techniques, leading to stunning exhibitions and immersive experiences. Imagine walking through a gallery, surrounded by colossal origami structures that dwarf you, each fold a testament to the artist's vision and patience. Or picture a community project where participants from around the globe contribute folded pieces to create a unified artistic statement. The evolution of origami is also being propelled by technology. Computer software allows for complex designs that would be nearly impossible to calculate by hand. These designs can leap off the screen and into the real world through advancements like 3D printing, blending the digital with the tactile. Sustainability is another frontier for origami exploration. Biodegradable materials and recycled goods are being folded into eco-conscious art that promotes a message of environmental responsibility. Artisans craft pieces meant to last for a moment in time, then return to the earth, leaving no trace but the memory of their beauty. Fashion is another exciting arena for origami. From wearable art to functional design, clothing designers are embracing foldable elements for both aesthetics and practicality. Runways across the world display garments that echo origami's philosophy, where the strength of a piece is found in the boldness of its folds. Interactive art displays invite the audience to engage with origami, to touch, fold, and transform pieces, breaking the barrier between art and observer. Workshops and classes have sprung up too, teaching the young and old how to fold, crease, and mold. It's here that the real magic of origami shines, in the sharing of knowledge and the joy of creation. The art form even makes its way onto our screens, inspiring animators and filmmakers to adopt origami in stop-motion animation, bringing stories to life one fold at a time. Architecture has not remained untouched by the origami revolution. Buildings with facades that mimic folded paper challenge our notion of what structures can look like. The design principle traverses into furniture, where chairs and tables adopt sleek, folded forms that are as much a statement as they are practical. Beyond physical applications, origami offers psychological benefits. The act of folding can be a meditative practice, a focus that calms the mind and centers the spirit. Group folding sessions are seen as a way to build community, to establish connections through the shared pursuit of transforming the mundane into the magnificent. Public art installations draw communities together, prompting discussions and engagements, thanks to the universal language of origami. As we've journeyed through these folds of innovation and tradition, we've seen how origami is more than just an art. It is science, it is education, it is therapy, and it is a beacon of community. So whether you're an avid folder or a curious spectator, we can all appreciate the endless possibilities that this art form holds. Origami, in its essence, is a spectrum where technical skill meets boundless creativity, where each crease and fold holds the potential to transform our world. Thank you for joining us on Spectrum Sphere as we unfolded the art of origami, folding beyond paper. Be sure to like, comment with your experiences or thoughts on origami, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more captivating journeys through culture, innovation, and creativity. Until next time, keep exploring the spectrum of the sphere. And remember, the next time you pick up a piece of paper, or any material for that matter, you're not just holding a raw resource, you're holding a world of possibilities at your fingertips.